Okay, so we're back today with a new Skylight. So first step is normally you'd have to pop off the screen, take off the fan blade, use this with just the one screw. So now all I need to do is just raise this up a little bit. And again, I don't like using the automatic feature. I just kind of crank this up. Just need to crank it up so I can lift it up, and then I'm going to slide this piece here down to where that little notch is, so we can pop that bracket off and then slide the new Skylight on. Should be pretty quick. So once again, I don't like to let the auto shut off feature close these, so I just close them by hand just until it stops. It's just enough to secure that up there. Keeps the lid from coming up. Again, if I let that auto tighten, that would tighten about another 1/8 of a turn, and it would put a whole lot of stress on that plastic, which is the whole problem that I'm having in the first place. Too much stress on that causes this thing to break, and as you saw last time, caused a crack up there, which then allowed water to drip through. And luckily I discovered it in time. Had I not discovered it, I would have had quite a puddle on the floor, I'm afraid, and that crack may have actually gotten bigger over time, especially if we got some freeze-thaw activity up there. Next step is to put the fan blade back up there. If you look closely, you can see there's a flat spot on the blade, which you then line up with the flat spot that's on the side of the spindle up there. Should go on readily. Just gonna line it up a little bit. There we go. It slides right on. It'll actually kind of stick there long enough to start this screw. Screw goes right there in the middle. And just tighten that up. Tightens up pretty easily. So I'll give that a little tighten there with my other hand. Now that that's done, the next step is to pop in the screen. It just kind of pops in. You gotta kind of just kind of line it up there. A little more difficult with one hand. I like to put the tab right there in the back. Just kind of just pops in. And then just work your way around. Yeah, it seems to get it. Just gonna work your way around, make sure you got all those popped up there. But this one looks like it's pretty done. And that's all there is to it.